Hello, Miss. Um, my name my name is Andrea. Actuality the industrial engineering. Add a question, a click. No question. What else do you know about company? I know you been abroad for a long time since to delay uh, 1930s, 1930 and with really caught my attention um, was the idea that was started uh, by people who have a passion uh, for our own and for the way the involvement of that in their experience. I like the idea to tell your company is a consulting uh, ranking among thanks ranking among uh, uh, that your company is a consent ranking among the top uh, 100 companies to work it. Thanks. Are you speaking English? So.